Welcome to Tech Talk. My name is Diamond, and I'm here with Robert, one of our technicians. He's going to answer some of your questions, so let's get started. What is the best remote module for building automation?
Okay, I think our Modbus TCP data acquisition modules are best. Modbus TCP uses Ethernet to communicate with. Ethernet is easy to implement using standard Ethernet hardware like routers, switches, and Wi-Fi. Most buildings already are wired for Ethernet. Security cameras and IP cameras already are using the Ethernet as well, so you can simply add our Ethernet module to the same switch and bring it back to the building automation system. And occupancy sensors and environmental sensors can be connected to our Ethernet data acquisition modules to monitor both people and the temperatures and humidity of the office, as well as chemicals. The Ethernet cabling is easy to find and cheap. On the software side, Modbus is a very standard protocol, and many of the most common building automation software platforms already have Modbus TCP drivers. For those systems that do not, we have many gateways which can be used to adopt Modbus TCP devices to communicate with any protocol. Our ETSeries comes with various combinations of I/O counts and sensor types. The ET7000 models shown here are our analog modules. These combinations include analog channels which can be used to monitor temperature, sensors, and voltage and current outputs from those sensors, and bring it into Modbus TCP format to communicate back to the building automation system. For digital applications with on-off control or relays are required, we have this selection table of our ETSeries with different I/O counts for the digital inputs and digital outputs. There's relay modules for controlling AC devices and door controls. And our Ethernet modules also have at the bottom an encoder module for counting applications.
If you would like your questions answered in our next Tech Talk, send them to our tech team at tech@icp-usa.com. And if you want to learn more about the products in this video, visit our website at www.icp-usa.com.